called SuperViral. This is the login page of SuperViral. In this video, we'll show you an overview of our latest software called SuperViral. This is the login page of SuperViral. In this video, we'll show you an overview of our latest software called SuperViral. This is the login page of SuperViral. So this software instantly creates viral video websites that can easily bring you free traffic and multiple streams of affiliate commission. So you have Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. And from here, you can build your email list too. So it's a cloud-based tool that will allow you to build your own viral video site with just a few clicks, but it's looking professional, mobile-friendly, with engaging designs. So let's try to log in now to our SuperViral account. So all you have to do is to enter username and password, and then you can check also the terms and conditions from here. So once you log in, this is how it would look like. So it would depend on which access you have purchased with SuperViral. So you can see here you have the dashboard, your sites, the settings page. You can also see here if you have upgraded your access to different upgrades available. So you also have here the support, tutorials, and bonuses. Now, first, if you want to create now your site in SuperViral, so it's very easy. On the upper right hand of the website, you can see here create site. So the first thing that you have to do is to create here a subdomain. No worries, as for each topic, we have a tutorial that you can utilize on the tutorials tab of your account. So on the subdomain name, you just have to enter here your subdomain name, and it will have this link. So URL will be your subdomain.superviral.com. So, and then enter your site title. So for example, this is our subdomain. So your subdomain is your website, right? So click on generate website. So in just a few minutes, your subdomain would be propagated. So meanwhile, you can visit the dashboard to customize look and feel. So, but before that, let's go first to the settings tab of your SuperViral account. So for the Amazon API keys, you have here tag name, access key, secret key, and then save setting. So in each of these settings, we have a tutorial video that you can use so that it would guide you on how you can get these API keys and configure them here. So for next, we have to configure your eBay API keys. So if you have one, you can just simply paste everything in here, as well as your ClickBank API. So for ClickBank, you have to enter here your username or user ID for ClickBank, right? So in each, do not forget to click on Save Setting so that your API will be added on your website. So let's visit now my sites. So below each site, you have the following options. So first, you have the viral research. So the viral research would allow you to search videos available that are viral, and then as well as you can get the number of views, likes, and comments for YouTube and Vimeo. And then you have here the Daily Motion. So it's also one of the leading video sharing website in the internet. So after that, you can just click here on search. So you also have here the blogs. So you can type in your keyword and get relevant blogs to that keyword. And then for the products, when adding them to your site, so you can see here, you can select from the following sources. So you may have noticed, if you have not configured your API keys, you will see a notification here. So you have not configured your API keys. So for you to be able to configure, again, you have to set it up on your settings tab. So this viral research would allow you, if you have the API keys, to easily search for products on that specific keyword. So for eBay, you can select also the category and then just click on search. And then same with ClickBank, you can type all and then just click on search. So if you don't have these API keys, you need not to worry because you can manually add the products. Okay, so when adding the products manually, let's go back to my sites. Just hover to the product list. So here in the product list, you will be able to see the available products if you have added them or imported them using the viral research. But if not, you can manually add for those products by using the Create New button. So you can add here the product title, the product description, source where you get the product ID, currency, price, URL, and you can also change the thumbnail. And then just click on Save Changes. So again, for each topic, we have available tutorials that you can visit on the tutorials tab of your account. So next, after viral search, product list, we also have here pages. So from here, by default, you have the homepage, of course, blog, shop, privacy, and terms of service. For privacy and terms of service, you have to edit them accordingly. So you have here under the action button, just click on the pencil icon. So it's important that you have to edit this or change this according to your page or website. So again, we go back to the pages. You can even create a new one. So let's say you want to add a contact us page. So page content, and then just click generate page. So you'll see here this contact page has been added. So for the status, you can toggle this on and off so that if you want to display that on your website, you may do so, or if not, you can just turn it off. Next, you also have here the manage appearance. So on how to manage this appearance, you can watch a separate tutorial. But in an overview, you have here the header, you have the settings for the body color, header, buy now, and then you can input your social links, bio, analytics code, your disclaimer and SEO, as well as the pixel code. And then aside from my site, you also have the marketing tools. For the marketing tools, you can create new from here. So either you put an image link, ads or banner, or an opt-in form where they can input their email addresses and sign up to your email list. So aside from marketing tools, you also have here the site configuration where you can change your site title. For the subdomain name, take note that it cannot be changed or modified. So before you create your own subdomain, make sure you have already thought about it, as it cannot be modified or changed later on. And then next, we also have here the blog section. So here in the blog section, so again, we can add viral video blogs coming from the viral research post. So by just searching the keywords. Otherwise, you can create your own normal post, like an article here. So fill out the details here, as well as a video post. You can also do so. So just select which source, and then a video ID, and then the thumbnail. So next, aside from blogs, we also have here the viral post. So for the viral post, you can use this one to easily make a custom post for your social media sites. So you can even upload your background image and change everything from here. So you can see below, you have the syndication. This following buttons, so as long as you set it up, you can easily share this post to your social media sites. So next, aside from viral posts, you have here analytics. So you can see how many visitors, how many unique ones, what is the time, the total spent on your website, and social reference if they have clicked them on social media site. And lastly, you'll have here the automation if you have an access to it, meaning if you have the API key setup. So in each keyword, there will be added products to your website automatically. So let's try one first for the viral research. So let's say I'm going to search for viral videos or video blogs about cats. So automatically it will give you videos here. So you have the preview, like this one, funny cats. So you can add several ones in one go. Just click on the checkbox at the left side. You can also see, of course, the title of that video, the number of views, number of likes, if you have comments. So once you're done, just click on import selected video. So selected video blogs will be appearing on the blog section of your SuperViral account. And then from here, you can view the blog, edit. So you can change the thumbnail, you can delete hyperlinks, share it automatically on your social media sites. So if you want to view the blog, just click on the icon, and then it's here. You can play it from here. Right, so pulling back. So that's how easy you can find these videos and make it viral on your website. So search a keyword and it automatically finds viral videos related. So across all networks. So you can find one from YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. Now, once you go to your dashboard, so on the homepage, you can see here also add to featured, hot, or trending, so that it would appear on your website. Let's say this one is a new video, so you can add it to hot. So when it appears on your website, if you want to view this, just click on that link and see it would display here as hot, right? So meaning it's a fairly new video that you want to show on your website. Also, as a reminder, upon logging in, your dashboard would look different. It would depend on what access you have purchased with SuperViral, so make sure you double check it on the sales pages. So basically, that's the function or main features of SuperViral. It would not require any tech skills, no experience, no coding, and at the same time, no hosting is required on your end. You can just easily build in few seconds or few minutes, and then you can generate your viral video website. So for each of the topic, you may visit the tutorials page and you can view it from here. So stay tuned on the next videos or watch them for you to be able to start your SuperViral website.